Hey, crafty sis. Welcome to day one of the Holiday Sales Challenge. I'm so excited to have you here, and I just want to let you know that this challenge was created for you to be able to have a strategy. That way, you can effectively show up each holiday season starting now. So, before we get into it, I do want to remind you to join our private Facebook group. This is where we'll be able to share our wins, hold each other accountable, and just be able to post our progress to keep us motivated. Trust me, I completely get that entrepreneurship can get lonely, but in this space, you're never alone. If you haven't done so already, I'll include the link below so that you're able to join. Once you get in there, make sure you do your introduction, post a picture or a video, even better, of yourself, just to introduce yourself to all of the crafty sisters who are also joining you in this challenge. This challenge is self-paced, so every day a new task will unlock for you to be able to complete. You're going to want to make sure you log onto my site, canvasbling.com, in order to access the challenge modules. From there, you'll be able to complete each and every task. I do want to encourage you again, as you complete your task, go ahead and drop it in the Facebook group. This is how we're able to cheer you on and help you stay motivated throughout the duration of the challenge. The challenge is for 10 business days. I did leave the weekends open so that you can complete whatever task you didn't get to complete during the week. Now, again, although the challenge is self-paced, I do encourage you to complete each task for each day. That way you don't fall behind and you're able to immediately start promoting your holiday sales. Now let's talk about your day one task. For today, you're going to have 3 tasks. For task 1, you're going to want to decide what product will be the star product of your holiday season. This can be a party favor bundle. This can be a gift set. This can be a digital template. You're going to pick one product or bundle to focus on this holiday season. I know, there's a lot of things that you're good at. There's a lot of things that you can sell. But for this season, I want you to choose one thing that you're going to focus on. Don't be afraid to get creative when it comes to deciding what you want your holiday star product to be. The easiest way is to utilize skills and expertise that you already have. What are some of the things that your audience is already gravitating towards? How can you create an experience for your audience with this star product? You can remix your best sellers or your customer faves in order to create something unique that people would want for the holidays. Keep in mind, a pro tip is to make this something that you can bring back every single holiday season. That way you're working smarter every time. So again, task 1 is to narrow down to one product that you're going to focus on. Moving on to your second task for today. After you decide on what your star product is going to be, I want you to now create tiers for this product. This can be between 2 to 3 tiers. This is a great way for you to be able to upsell your star product while giving your customers a variety to choose from. The easiest way is to do 3 tiers. An entry tier, which is a budget-friendly option, your mid-tier, which is going to be your core offer, and a premium tier, which is kind of like a VIP to add a little extra. Feel free to get creative with the names of your tiers to keep it fun and exciting. Your third and final task for the day is going to be to map out your target audience. Now, this is going to be one group of people that this product or service is meant for. Of course, you can have several different groups if you decide to do so, but I want you to start with at least one core customer that this product is meant for. Your worksheet gives you a good outline. I want you to fill in the blanks to decide who they are, what their goals are, what their pain points are for the holiday season, and how your offer solves this problem for them. This is going to make it super clear for you when it comes to marketing, for you to know exactly what you say as we go further along in the challenge. That's the end of your task for day 1. Just know that you've got this, okay? Today is all about laying the foundation. Once you complete all 3 tasks, I want you to head over to the Facebook group and share your chosen product. Post your 3-tier breakdown and tell us who your target customer is. I'll be checking in and giving feedback, so don't skip this step. Remember, every sale starts with clarity, and today you just created it. I affirm that this will be your most profitable holiday season yet. Let's get it. Let's go. Hey, 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 hey. You got this, sis. Hey. All right, I'll see you for day 2 tomorrow.